Hello, so I'm going to be teaching you what a finite or infinite set is. So now let's begin with the finite set. From the word finite, it means it's limited, it's countable. So when we put those words together, a finite set has limited or countable numbers of elements. And you have numerous examples. It could be your set of shoes. No matter how many shoes you have, they are actually countable. It could be the clothes in your wardrobe, grains of rice grains, or in a bag. Anything that you can count will form a finite set. And now let's look at numerical examples. I have set A, and A has negative integers greater than -4. So let's see, A is a set of negative integers greater than -4. So let's use our number line to get that easily. So I have this integers. We have 0. To the right I have positive numbers. That's not my business, so we'll focus on the negative side. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4. So we are looking at negative integers greater than -4. You know, to the left of the number line, the number reduces. So -3 is greater than -4. So we have numbers from here 1, 2, 3. So this set contains, we have -3, -2, -1, because we said negative integers. You can see it's finite because it's limited. It is not continuous. Let's see another example. X is a set of even numbers less than 20. Even numbers start from 2. So we have 2, 4, 6. We'll go on and on. You represent that with an ellipsis until we get to 20. You see, it's finite. It's limited. So an infinite set will be a set that contains unlimited or countable numbers of elements. And an example would be number of unborn children in your country, or even numbers greater than 20. Numerous examples. Uncountable. So let's say examples. Let's say set A, we have negative integers less than -4. That will start from -5. We have -6, -7, and the list is continuous, is unlimited. So we end that with an ellipsis. That's for infinite set. So we have another set X, which asks even numbers greater than 20. Even number greater than 20 start from 22, 24, 26, and it also goes on and on and on. Is indefinite. Another example will be, let's say, set Q that has multiples of 4, for instance. We have 4, you have 8, you have 16, you have 32, you have 64. You keep multiplying and multiplying, and the list is inexhaustible. So, and that's the difference between a finite set and an infinite set.